Hello, good morning. What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to another video. Y'all know with me, I'm just happy. We're finna do some DIY, right? Y'all know that, right? I'm gonna put y'all on something real quick. I'm gonna put y'all on something. Just hold tight. So I need a trailer jack landing plate. Okay, hear me out now. That's what we need. But you know me, it's $10 a Harbor Freight. Too easy. Drive up there, pop in, and snag one, right? $9.99. It's too easy. But hold on. Too easy. I ain't finna fall for that. I am not gonna fall for that. Now, you see what this is, right? This is a latch for a gate that I found in the toolbox of my trailer. And I said, you know what? I could do something on this. My coworker looked at me and said, cheap A. Yeah, you know what the A stand for. Peep game. It's a DIY. It's a DIY. If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. No money lost. But if it works, I'm putting y'all on game. So it was welded, I think, in here on this side. I'm just gonna knock that out, drill it through all the way, get this in here so it can turn, and I'll show y'all the rest. I'm excited. I may not have to do too much editing on this video. It's gone by pretty quick. Now for the fun part. We're gonna hold this with the vice grip. Make sure it doesn't move. And we're gonna use these expensive Matco bits, drill bits. All right. These are the ones with special tips. This set usually runs around $3-4.99. Yeah, they're real expensive. I am going to put a hole in this so I can run a cotter pin and cut the excess off. Then we got to go drill a hole in the jack itself to receive this. And just like that, we're there. Cotter pin, too skinny. Seems about right. Too big. I like that though. That'll be perfect. Good. Yeah. So we're gonna go with this one. What size is that? 1.5 by 1/8. Boom. In there. There we have it. Now I'm just gonna cut that off and go drill a hole on the jack itself and put it in. Video done. There we go. Now here's my thing. Since we already have 4 holes in it, should I put a rubber sole on it? I think we can. Honestly, and I just saw the perfect piece for it. I've either misplaced my gloves or somebody misplaced them for me, but it's all right. If you're paying attention to the hyperlapse, I simply just put this in the vise, do some heat to it, help it to unroll itself. We'll do that again. Put some heat down there. It's nothing but rubber. Put some pressure on it. Let it sit. Now I just need to find some bolts, and I'm sure I got some here somewhere. This man right here, Mr. Yan Ray. Y'all need to go listen to him on YouTube. Yan Ray. You need to hit him up on YouTube, y'all. He got some good music. These are what I found. We're in these right here. Mostly used on furniture. They have the ribs on them. That's gonna dig into rubber. So on this one, the screw going from the top, this on the bottom, and then these will go the opposite direction. These on the bottom, both on the top. Has the that lock washer rubber thingy inside the nut. Y'all know what it is. So they have to go to the store. Too easy. That's drill, screw, chop. It's like this was meant to be. Look at this, guys. Lined up, lined up. Look at this. So now I only have to drill 2 from the back and finish it. It's like this was meant to be. Like that. We got a shoot. So let's go install this thing. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I almost forgot. I am gonna need spacer between the jack itself and the end, so this doesn't shift too much. So let's go put the hole in the jack and test fit. Then we'll see how much room we need, what kind of spacer we got to work with. Oh, there's already a hole. Filled with dirt. Even more easier than I thought. Yeah. Let me go get the shoe. Oh, here we go. From the other side. Problems, huh? Oh, smack. We can fix that. We can fix that. All right. This is what we're looking like so far. Now I need to see how much room is on either side so I can keep it from swaying. Oh, I'm getting too old for this crap. So basically running on 1-inch spacer. Focus. On each side. Oh man. I just went for a hose. Uses a spacer. I don't know which one of this is, but they had it and they're like, yeah, here you go, man. So I'm gonna cut what I think is 1 inch. my little shank here. Slide the first one on. Let's go down here and finish the job. All that dirt that came out of it. That's whoever had it before me. Back down so y'all can see. Time to test fit. Final where it's at. Squeeze this other one in here. Side, perfect. Got the cotter pin. All I'm gonna do is wrap this on itself. Less than an hour. Easy. We're gonna do some of that handle too. That ain't it. All this in the box.